Okay guys, here's my Mike's Train House O-scale block signal. I made a platform to screw the signal to and the lionel infrared unit to. It's just a 1/4 inch piece of plywood with two little strips wood on the bottom. You got 2 screws that holds the infrared on, and 2 screws that holds the signal on. And also I painted the like a concrete color, and then I sprayed it with like a black mist. That way it has like a cement color with like coal and stuff around. Like I say, I'm just going to demonstrate you know how this signal and everything works. Like I say, I drilled holes and everything in the platform to run the wires and stuff down through. You can see underneath here where I got the wires running out, and then I got the piece of tape underneath here, and here's the 2 pieces of strip of wood. Also, and then like I say, and it's got adjustment screws here on the underneath this here. One's for sensitive if where it'll detect the train quicker, and then the short, long, that's for where if you want the signal to stay on longer before it changes back to green. Other than that, it works pretty neat. Okay, so okay, here's the signal. Okay, so right now it is diagonally yellow. So it will change to green here in about 10 or 15 seconds. So now it is horizontal green. Okay, now when the train runs in front of the infrared, it goes to horizontal red. Vertical red. Sorry. And then it goes back to diagonally yellow, and then it'll go back to horizontal green. Now it's back to green. So when the train enters this, it goes back to vertical red and back to diagonally yellow. It gives about 10 or 15 seconds for it to change. Okay, I'm going to turn it around here. Okay, here's the infrared thing. This is what where the sensor is at that causes it to change. Used to have a track thing here where I could put it on the track, but I can't use it on my fast track at Lionel. It won't work, so I just screw this down here on the board, then I'll just set this beside my track and then the train will just pick it up and change the signal. See, now it's diagonally yellow because I keep running my hand in front of it. There's back to green. See, there's red. Back to yellow. Like I say, I got 2 screws, holds this down. So we'll turn the light out so y'all can see this better. Okay, see, there's the green. There's the red. Back to yellow. And it'll go back to green here in a minute. Okay, there's back to green. And it's got LEDs in this too, so it should last a long time. Okay, here's the transformer or whatever running the signal, and here's the wire going into it, and then it comes up through the hole and hooks into the thing here. Then here's the thing here opens up here where the wires are hooked up. These are the 2 power wires, and these here are the wires that's running the signal. See, I got a switch here where I could turn this from auxiliary power or track power. I'm running on auxiliary power. That's and I never did run it on track power, but there's a couple screws where I got it held down. But like I say, this signal is actually is prototype for the B&O style signal. Like I say, it's you know, all die cast and everything. So you know, it's metal. So metal or die cast, either one. I don't know which. So, but it says it's metal, but I think it's die cast. So. So then when I put my hand in front of this, it changes to red. Then it goes back to diagonal yellow. Okay, it's back to green. So this thing looks pretty good. You know, I did a pretty good job on it. Other than I didn't get this thing too straight, but that's alright. So at least it picks up the train.